Hello and welcome back to another DIY video. Before we get started, make sure you give me that thumbs up to help with the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel in the bottom right hand corner. And on today's DIY, we're going to be changing out or installing some of these seat covers. I'm going to go over here in just a moment. Alright, so just looking in at the Jeep right here, this is going to be my stock seats. They obviously, they're still pretty nice. I'm just trying to get a little bit more protection on it because I do have a kiddo. So just trying to get something that can be a little bit better with water resistance. But I'm going to get them installed here in just a moment. Alright, so the way this is going to work, I'm going to do the driver's side first, and then once I get a better idea on it, then I'm going to show you how to do the passenger side, and everything else should be kind of similar. It's kind of windy today. Alright, so now I'm going to show you what it looks like completed on the driver's side. Turned out really well. For 160 bucks, I think it's definitely well worth it. This one here is already completed. There's the passenger side that is not completed, which I'm about to show you how to do it here in just a moment. Let's get started. Alright, so you're going to want to take this little honeycomb thingy and feed it through this strap. You're only going to do it on these top three. So 1, 2, and 3. These two on the bottom will be anchored to this bad boy here in a moment. Alright. Just going to feed this through. This is pretty much going to serve as an anchor. I don't know if that's what it's actually called, but it's pretty much an anchor. You'll see what I mean here in a moment. Let's try to make this a little bit more even. There you go. That's 1, 2, and then 3. Okay. These two down here, leave them alone for now. Alright, and now for the base, same thing right here. This right there, whoops. This to that, this to that. Leave these two open because we're going to put it on the hook. Put a hook on it, I mean. I'm going to make that more even here in a moment. Alright, let's go to the passenger side. Headrest off. Scoot the chair forward. Take it all the way off. Alright, this is probably going to be the easiest part right here. Headrest. Here's a sleeve. You're going to put it on. It pretty much fits on like a glove or a sock, whatever you want to say. Oh, here comes FedEx. Oh, not mine. Okay. Alrighty. Perfect. Okay, just make sure it looks good. Alright. Put it somewhere safe. Alright, now you're going to go ahead and get your cover. You're going to slide it on pretty much like a t-shirt. I recommend doing this outside or somewhere where you at least have good lighting. That's why I pulled it outside. So it needed better lighting. Alright, so see these right here? We're going to tuck it in there. See what I'm doing there? We're going to push it all the way through. Because again, it's going all the way through. It's going to serve as an anchor. Okay. Now with this top part, you just feed it through. little bit tighter. This actually, it's a Velcro. Feed that through and fit it to how you want. Alright, I got it to how I wanted or want. Let's go over to the back. Alright, now you're going to take this little hook. Oops, probably want to see it in the frame. Right here. Be patient and feed it through. Yeah. Alright, so this is what patient and feeding it through looks like. Let's go ahead and go install the base now. Back to the Jeep. Alright, pretty straightforward. Here's the base. Feed it on. Slide these little anchor pieces straight through, just like the top part. Or like the backrest, I mean. Once you tuck this in, pull it, anchor it from the back. These straps right here, strap it under the seat like this. Alright, so now you're going to take this strap, get it to the other end, and then clip it in place. So now you notice both of these little anchors right here. We're going to try to pull it all the way in and have it secure to this one. One on this side, one on that side. It's just going to hold it in place like that under the seat. I'm not going to be able to film that part obviously though. Alright guys, so this is pretty much what the finished product looks like right here, and I will tell you for 160 bucks, I think it is money well spent. Pretty easy DIY. I'm not going to show you the back because it's literally the exact same thing. I'm trying to keep the video short, but if you like it, thumbs up, subscribe. I will see you on the next one. Turned out really well. Thanks for watching. Alrighty guys, so here's the finished product. I installed everything on both the driver's side, passenger side, and the rears. Let me know what you think. I think it turned out pretty well. Like I said, especially for 160 bucks, this is definitely worth it. What's a little bit annoying for me, it's more of an OCD thing, but you'll notice that this headrest right here, so one, let me go in the back so you can see it. This one just doesn't quite fit. I'm gonna see if they can send me another one though, but overall, I would say it's probably worth it.